Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of grade 2. Yesterday we read poem The Rainbow on page number 8, and today we are going to read and do exercise which is on page number 9. The first question is answers the following questions. Where do boats sail? You know, when you read the poem, you read about these questions. Where do boats sail? Boats sails on the rivers. Where do ships sail? Ships sails on the seas. What sails across the sky? Clouds sails across the sky. What are the two prettiest things in the poem? Number 1, rainbow. Number 2, bridge. We leave question number 4 and now we are going to read question number 5. Is there a difference between a boat and a ship? Find out. Yes, boat is smaller than ship. The next question is, what are they? Find these words in the poem. Better looking, rainbow, the planet on which we live, Earth. It is built to cross over a river, bridge. We can sail in these boats, ships. White and fluffy, it floats in the sky, clouds. The next questions, join a word in A with the word in B to make a new word. Here is an example, over plus top, over top. Here you can see here, hairpin, classroom, shoemaker, door, way, handkerchief, textbook, post, cart. Now we are going to next page, page number 10. Underline all the nouns in the following. You know what is nouns? Naming words are called nouns. All the naming words which are in this paragraph, we underline these. First, Tiny Tim was playing in the kitchen. Tiny is the name and the kitchen is also a noun. He stood on a chair. Chair is a noun. Next to the sink. Sink is noun. Water was coming out. Water is noun. Of the tap. Tap is noun. He put his thumb. Thumb is noun. Under the hole. Hole is noun. In the tap. Tap is also noun. The water, noun. Went all over the floor. Noun. It went all over his head too. Head is noun. So we underline all the nouns in this paragraph. Now we are going to the next questions. D. Find all the rhyming words in the poem. List the words in your notebook. These are the easy words like this: pen, ten, man, fan, tin, bin, tub, rub, log, dog, bit, hit, bun, sun, leg, bag. And here are some difficult words: crow, grow, bend, sand, bud, mud, eat. Here are some other words: catch, match, hand, band. I provide all these words and with the picture. We are going the next page, which is workbook page. Workbook page number 6. This is the workbook page number 6. You look some pictures on page number 4 and 5 and write two sentences about each picture on page, which are page number 4 and 5. Look at this picture carefully and write the sentences about this picture. First is done for you. Mr. Asad is a shopkeeper. He sells things. Mr. Shahid is a plumber. He mends broken pipes. Mr. Tariq is a tailor. He stitches clothes. Mr. Salim is a pilot. He flies an aeroplane. Mr. Thomas is a teacher. He teaches the student. Mr. Hassan is a nurse. He takes care of patients. Mr. Jamal is an author. Mrs. Jamal is an author. She writes books. So students, do this page on your workbook, page number 6. Take care. Allah Hafiz.